I think it's time for a I told you so video, because apparently some people still think these trades were luck. Meanwhile, we're over here sitting on positions up over 2,000% plus. And the funny part is, I literally told you guys what I was buying while everyone else was chasing whatever stock was, trending last week. But anyway, if you think I'm making the sub, let's pull up the receipts. Let's start with Palantir. And honestly, guys, this one still makes me laugh till this day because people are acting like this move came out of nowhere. So I'll pull up the chart. So you can literally see this thing sitting inside this wedge for weeks, just compressing, doing absolutely nothing, which is exactly why no one cared. Wait, do you guys remember when I said buy what Trump is talking about before everyone else? I'll put the tweet here. Now, even before that, I spotted this wedge forming on the daily chart, and that's where we started scaling into calls around 131. And now it's sitting around 155. I already know some people are gonna watch this and think,
there's no way.
Trust me, I would have thought the same thing. I'll throw some screenshots up here. One member in the group made over 1,700%. And before someone says that's normal, I'm not gonna lie, it's not. Those trades just don't come around every week. And that is why when I find one, I'm loading super heavy. And regardless of us being up in the Discord, I still think this thing goes much higher. So people now are celebrating 155, and personally, I still see 170. So just like most of my swings, if you have enough patience, you'll double, if not triple, your account. Ask my boy here. Now on to the next one. It is ONDS. I don't even know what else to tell you guys at this point. I feel like I made over 50 videos on this stock alone. Every week I was like, I'm still bullish, I'm still buying, I'm still holding. And every week people kept telling me I was crazy. And then Trump started talking about taking stakes in drone companies. Now, of course, everyone loves it. We were buying this thing around $8 to $9, and then now people are chasing it over 13. That's why I always say the easiest money is made when no one cares. So once everyone agrees with you, the move is already happening. And honestly, I still don't think it's done. Whenever a stock consolidates this long within a wedge on top of Trump's announcements, this thing can easily see 20 plus in my opinion. So next week, you should start seeing all of the Twitter gurus pushing 20 plus while we're up over 100% profit. And that is why I love swing trading. All these day traders and momentum traders, they're beginning to chase now, but we've already been in this for over, a month or so? A few weeks, I believe. But the thing about swing trading is most people do not have the patience. They want those 500% penny stocks. They want those huge, fast breakouts. That's not how trading works. And if that is your mindset, you're not gonna make it. I'm being honest. But on to the next one. We have RIVN. And this trade is actually one of my favorites because it proves a point I've been making forever, which is patient pays. A few weeks ago, I kept saying the exact same thing in the Discord. I wanted $14. There's no need to chase these names on the first spike. So of course we waited for this to touch the bottom trend line. Wait, I think I posted this setup on Twitter. If I find it, I'll post it here. If not, I'm gonna edit this part out. So if you see it, then I guess. But whatever. Eventually price came right into the area we wanted, right into support, right into the trend line. And that is where buyers stepped in exactly where we wanted them. And now we're sitting on almost 100% gains. Again, what's crazy is most people think trading is about being right. It's not. You can spot a good company and still lose money if your entries suck. This is exactly why, once again, I prefer swing trading over any other type of trading. And I know some people love sitting in front of charts all day, but it couldn't be me. If you have a job, a business, a family, honestly, a life, swing trading makes way more sense. I would rather spend my time finding great setups and letting them work. But anyways, those are the three of the biggest winners we've had just last week. The charts are there, the receipts are there, and honestly, we're already working on the next one. I posted that tweet a few days ago as well. And I know if you made it to the end of this video, you're probably asking like, dang, how do I get these early entries? How do I join all of these screenshots of people making all this profit? Well, today is the final day to apply for the Discord. So if you've been watching the videos, following my trades, and thinking about joining, this is your last chance for this month. Please do not go on DMing me next month saying, oh, when is the Discord open? Is there more spots? Are you gonna open spots? I'm not. So this is the last day to apply for June. And if you get denied, you can always try again the next following month. So that being said, if you rode any of these stocks with me, rather it's ONDS, Rivian or Palantir, Post your profits in the comments below. Let's get this video to 100 likes, and I'll see you guys in the next video.